Couple of pretty easy questions. The trend line for the graph above, it has an equation which is y equals 4.5x plus 26.5. And we want to use the equation to find the expected height in inches. We're not playing any tricks on you yet. If a student is 3 years old, so we can look at the trend line just to get an idea of what our expected answer should be about. So if we go to where the age is 3, it's going to give us a y value there of about 36. I don't know what the answer is yet, but based on the graph, it's going to be around 36. So now we just need to put 3 into this equation. So y is going to equal 4.5 times 3 plus 26.5. Well, 4.5 times 3 is 13.5. I don't know why I was starting to write that out again. So in 13.5 plus 26.5 is going to give us an answer of 40. Ooh. Which definitely is a little off from the actual line. So that line is probably not really perfect for this. So when the equation was made, they probably did not use the technology. This was probably done by hand. And that's why you see a decent discrepancy there. And the next one, the trend line for the graph is y equals 10.5x plus 262. And we want to use the equation that tells us what is the expected number of smartphones in the US 4.5 years after 2017. So 4.5 is way out here. We're going to have to extrapolate this data. Now if we use the graph to kind of extend it, we're expecting a number around 305 or so. And hopefully this line could be better or worse. I don't know yet because I really haven't done it. So we're just going to put 4.5 in for x, and we're going to see. So y equals 10.5 times 4.5 plus 262. Now normally if we use technology, this trend line in this equation should be the same. But apparently when the equation or the trend line was drawn, one of the two had to be done with by hand, because they're not perfectly matching up. So 10.5 times 4.5 is 47.25. And we add that to 262. And that gives us the answer of about 309.25. And that seems pretty reasonable and not too far off my trend line. I think if I extended the trend line, I'd get a little bit closer than 305, just with the visual, maybe 307, 308. So much better of a equation to match up with the line there. But if you have any questions, email your math teacher.